Hi, Gary. My name is Christian Renna with RenGen SEO and Digital Marketing. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence. Contrary to popular belief, a website can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Trulia, things like that. And so the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you because it's your website. So a couple things. I like the fact that you are letting everybody know that you're a realtor. So believe it or not, a lot of realtors don't have the fact that they're a realtor on their Facebook, and you do. So that's how we found you, and that's how we are going to move forward with this. So I love to see that. Also, you do have a link to your website down here, which I have pulled up here. So you do have one, which is good. So obviously you understand the value of having a website, but the real question is, how many leads is this website bringing you? So how much money are you making from this website, and how much are you paying out, and so on and so forth. And so a couple things is that I don't know if this is your website. I know it's a har.com. I've seen that before, so I'm not sure if this is like a website hosting platform that you get through your brokerage, or if this is something that you actually had created for you specifically. Either way, depending on how much you can do, there's a couple things you're going to want to keep in mind. So content is king. Search engines love to see content. But content isn't just the words, it's also the photos and how the photos are saved, and alt tags and meta descriptions and site titles, so on and so forth. And so especially with real estate websites with the IDX feed and all the photos for listings and this and that, you want to make sure your photos are saved the right way. Keep in mind, search engines read how your photos are saved on the back end. So if you have your photo saved as random letters and numbers, which the computer likes to do from time to time, that's not going to help you at all. So you're going to want to make sure that all your photos are saved with good content that's going to help bring value to your website and in turn bring you some cash. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. So that would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All of those are going to give you citations, all of those directories. And so here you have, I typed in Houston Realtors. We got VIP Realty, we got Houston Realtor Danny Garcia, and we got Norhill Realtor. Now the biggest thing, this is really what I wanted to point out, and it's nice to see that Danny's actually in the second position. So we don't have Remax here. We don't have Keller Williams here. We don't have any of these big dog brokerages. We have these guys right here, Norhill, VIP, and we even have a realtor. So this is where you can be if you have a Google My Business page. So I didn't see the fact that you had one. So first, I would obviously highly suggest getting a Google My Business page. So very important there. And then as you can see, your har.com, this actually is on the first page. So that's good. But is it really bringing you any leads? So very important. So obviously I would suggest getting a Google My Business page. Here is Danny Garcia's. A couple things I want to point out. Once you get one, you're going to want to have, we suggest minimum 25 reviews. So Danny has 13 and he's in second place. So I would suggest getting 14 minimum to be where he is. He's got his address, his phone, website. I like to see down here in the appointment section, I like to have you guys put your website down here. So once you get your own website, and then the last thing is these photos. So we recommend 10 minimum. Obviously, as you can see, Danny has well above that 10 mark. And then again, just how the photos are saved. So obviously Danny's doing something right. You're going to want to get a Google My Business page, and you're going to want to have 10 photos minimum. You're going to want to save those photos the right way, and you will be well on your way. Believe it, Danny is getting some money from this right here. He's making some dough. So very important. And then the last thing is backlinks. And so what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your URL can be found. So anywhere that your domain, which right now is www.har.com/Gary P. Smith with a lot of different letters and numbers. And so what I want to point out is that we're not ranking for any keywords. We have no data on backlinks and referring domains. Like I said, a backlink is when you put your website out into the World Wide Web. It's going to give you a backlink. And so the thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. So you don't want to start throwing your website out there on random places and this and that where it's either irrelevant to the trade or spammy. Because if your backlinks are coming from spammy sites that are not relevant to the trade, then it's actually going to harm you and not help you and lower your UR score. So this is your UR. It's a 12 out of 100. Your domain rating is an 83 out of 100, but I believe that's because it's a har.com. So you're getting that power from har.com's power, but yet no backlinks, no keywords, and how much money is it bringing you? So very important. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business to bring you some leads and some more money for the rest of your life. And so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And other than that, thank you very much for watching.